Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of technology and its impact on our life. Today we are going to delve into the exciting topics of futuristic AI facts. Artificial intelligence is advancing at an incredible pace and is changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. In this video, we are going to explore some amazing facts about futuristic AI that will blow your mind. Fact number 1. Did you know that AI is being used to design and create new drugs? With the help of machine learning algorithms, researchers are able to identify new compounds and potential treatments for diseases that were previously impossible to cure. In fact, AI has already been used to create a new drug for treating COVID-19. Fact number 2. AI is also being used to predict natural disasters. By analyzing data from various sources, such as satellite imagery, AI algorithm can predict when and where a natural disaster might occur. This technology is already being used by some governments to alert citizens and help them prepare for natural disasters. Fact number 3. AI is changing the way we travel. Self-driving cars and trucks are already on the roads in some part of the world, and they are expected to become more common in the future. This will not only make our roads safer, but also reduce traffic and improve the efficiency of transportation systems. Fact number 4. AI is also being used to create personalized shopping experiences. With the help of machine learning algorithms, online retailers are able to recommend products to customers based on their previous purchases and browsing history. This makes shopping more convenient and efficient for consumers while also increasing sales for retailers. Fact number 5. Finally, AI is being used to improve healthcare, from diagnosing diseases to monitoring patients' vital signs. AI is changing the healthcare industry. In fact, some hospitals are already using AI-powered robots to perform surgeries with greater precision and accuracy than human surgeons. These are just a few of the amazing facts about futuristic AI. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more incredible innovations in the years to come. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the fascinating world of AI. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting content like this. Thank you for watching.